Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to replace the side wing indicator bulb on a Volkswagen T5 Transporter. If the bulb is actually blown, the other indicators on the same side will flash much faster. This is on a 2011 model and it should be the same for other Volkswagen models around this time. Now whatever you do, don't be tempted to use a flat bladed screwdriver because you may damage your bodywork, and in fact no tools are needed at all. Get a really good grip on the lens and you're pushing it over to the right hand side. Of course it is possible that someone's put it back upside down, so if it doesn't feel like it's going to go, then push it to the other side. As you push it to the right hand side, it just pushes against a spring and then it should just pop out. So literally just pull it out towards you. Fantastic. That looks in pretty good condition. Now to remove the actual bulb housing, this just slides off, so just twist it and pull it away from the lens. If it's never been done, it may be a bit stiff. And that is where the bulb is. Now to remove the bulb, it literally just pulls out. Just get a good firm grip, pull it out. Fabulous. And if it's blown, you'll see the filament is actually burnt and blown. This one is actually not too bad, but I'll swap it out anyway because it's old. And it's a W5W bulb. Now I've got all my spare bulbs here. I've got a whole packet of these beauties. I like to keep some spare bulbs just in case. Saves having to dash out if anything blows. All these bulbs I've got here are W5W501 bulbs. They're all 5 watts. Before I put the lens back, I'm just going to clean it up around here. Make sure that the connections are good inside here. If they're corroded, just file that down gently and squirt some WD-40 in there. This one's in great condition. Take your new bulb. Just push it in. Just push all the way home. And before you put it all back, make sure you test the bulb first. Great stuff, all working. Let's turn that back off. Now let's put it back inside the lens cover. Same procedure as when we took it out, it just slides inwards. Push it all the way home. Now let's reinstall it. You've got this spring here which holds it into position, and on the left hand side here you can see you've got these small grooves. You're basically just putting that into the chassis at this point here. So you're putting it in on the left hand side first, so just get those grooves into the chassis, and then on the right hand side just gently push that in until it clips into place. Great stuff. Look, that's not going anywhere now. That spring is holding it in place. And I'll just test the bulb once more time. I'm sure it'll be fine, and it is. And I tell you what, I think that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Whilst I'm having a brew, in the top right is how to change the pollen filter on a Volkswagen T5. In the top left, how to access the fuses on the Volkswagen T5. And in the bottom left, how to access the heavy duty fuses. I hope that was useful.